In a surprising submission, the AG has informed the High Court that no cabinet decision was taken while awarding the tender of Mapsa District Hospital. The tender was awarded to Radiant Life Care Private Limited for operating the hospital. The court has asked the government to file a reply on Thursday.
During the last hearing, the petitioner for Shalby Hospitals argued that government had not informed them about its decision. When the matter came up for hearing on Wednesday, Advocate General Subodh Kantak informed the High Court that no cabinet decision was taken while awarding the tender to Radiant Life Care. The petitioner filed an affidavit on Wednesday in the High Court in a reply to the government's affidavit. The petitioner, Ahmedabad-based company Shalby Hospitals, had challenged government's decision to award the tender to Radiant Life Care Private Limited. Shalby Hospitals and two other bidders, Apollo Hospital at Chennai and Radiant Life Care Private Limited, had bid for the tender for running the Mapsa District Hospital on PPP basis. They allege that despite being the lowest, the government took the decision without considering their bid. The court has now directed the government to file a reply to this affidavit on Thursday. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
Women from Dhar-Bandoda staged a Rasta Roko at Dhar-Bandoda on Wednesday. They have demanded that mining transport be stopped till Savat like every year. They claim that mining transport in monsoon disrupts the normal life of people in Dhar-Bandoda. Women of Dhar-Bandoda under the banner of Swayam Sahaya Gut blocked the trucks carrying iron ore at Dhar-Bandoda. They claim that transport should be stopped till Savat like every year. Police force was deployed at the site. School students also participated in this protest. Residents have threatened of severe agitation if transport is not stopped. Later, mining trucks returned back from Dhar-Bandoda.
मायनिंग ट्रान्सपोर्टाचो विरोध करपाचो कोणाचो उद्देश ना तर आज फक्त मायनिंगचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट पावसाळ्यान बंद करपाचो इतलोच उद्देश आसा गव्हर्मेंटान जो पर्यंत इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तुम्ही तयार करिना पावसाळ्यान माल ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक तो पर्यंत गांवचे लोक म्हणटा की गांवान आमी ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक दिवचे ना
रेब्यांतल्यान आमकां लोकांक चलपाक त्रास जाता म्हणजे भुरगीं रस्त्या वयल्यान चलपाक शकना आनी हेका लागून आमी सुरवातीक पयलीं रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो पीआयक लेटर केलें डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक लेटर केलें जर तांच्यांनी ते चालू करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो जाल्यार हो लढो कायम उरतलो आनी आमचो रिक्वेस्ट असो इतलोच आसा की सिजन मनसून सिजन पर्यंत तांच्यांनी बंद दवरचें आनी मागीर स्टार्ट करचें.
Mamladar of Dhar-Bandoda Satish Prabhu informed us more.
आयचं ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन बंद जालें आयज आयरन ओरच कॅरिंगच करता स्पिलेज पळयलें आमी रस्त्यार सो डेप्युटी कलेक्टराचें हें वाट पळयतालो ताचे पयलीं आतां ताणें ट्रकच परत गेले म्हणटकीर आतां क्वेश्चन तो आतां परत उरलो ना
सो हेका सोल्युशन कितें जाता
सोल्युशन म्हणजे आतां कंपनीक परत इन्स्ट्रक्शन आमी दितले आय विल इन्फॉर्म टू दीस मॅटर टू डेप्युटी कलेक्टर टू इन्स्ट्रक्ट कंपनीज रिगार्डिंग दिस.
Our reporter from Dhar-Bandoda, Vivek Prabhu. Youth Congress has received extremely poor enrollment in Congress's stronghold constituencies like Ponda, Santa Cruz and Talegaon. This is one of the worrying signs for Congress as State Assembly poll is few months away. Youth Congress election in Goa is scheduled on 21st and 22nd of July.
Zonal Returning Officer of Indian Youth Congress, Sumit Khanna, addressed reporters at Panji on Wednesday. He said that Ponda has 0 membership of Youth Congress, whereas Talegaon has 46 members and Santa Cruz has only 24 members. However, he mentioned that 14 forms from Ponda are rejected due to delay in submission.
This particular certificate has been issued by you or not?
Any existing member is rejected?
No. On this ground, we have not rejected. We have not rejected on this.
Voters नहीं तो पोंडा में election भी नहीं होगा?
हाँ नहीं होगा. So if accept the forms from Ponda, it will be clear injustice with the guy who has come with the 14 forms. Marmugao is sir 2715. Santa Cruz is 24.
24?
No, 24. Talegaon is 46.
Khanna said that candidate with criminal background and serious offences will not be allowed to contest Youth Congress election.
The person who is charged with the offence punishable with imprisonment of 5 years or more will not be eligible to contest. Either he has been convicted or the court has taken cognizance of the case or the charge sheet has been filed against him. If a person is convicted under the section 8 of the Representation of People's Act 1951, then he will not be eligible to contest for Youth Congress election, or a large number of criminal or serious offences are against him, we will not be allowing that person to contest.
Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar for Prudent Media.
Akshi police have finally arrested Home Guard Guru Prasad Kuttikar for dowry harassment that led to death of his wife Rasika. Other family members of Guru Prasad are also likely to be arrested. The arrest came after family members and locals from Rasika's native village took a morcha on Akshi police station demanding his arrest. Guru Prasad Kuttikar is a home guard with Goa police. He and Rasika had married on 18 February this year, but Rasika was found dead in mysterious circumstances on 23rd May. Rasika's mother, brother and other family members have charged Rasika's husband, Guru Prasad, of dowry harassment. They allege that Guru Prasad's family has poisoned Rasika.
लग्न जाल्यार हालीं 3 म्हयने जाले आनी ताका कितें विष घालून ताका जेवण सुद्दां ताका ती सासूमाय करून दिताली ताका जेवणाक कितें करून घायला आनी ताका मारून उडयलो.
The FIR against Guru Prasad was filed on 9 June, but he was arrested on Wednesday. Many allege that Guru Prasad has a political backing and hence his arrest got delayed.
सरळ ते लोक डावरीक लागून त्याची हत्या जाल्ली आसा. भांगरांक लागून ताका त्रास करताले जाल्यार पयलींच लग्ना कडेन ताका तोड्याक लागून सगळें मागीर ताका मोटरसायकल हाड तरूच तुका आवरता हाडटा.
हांव तेंच्या घरांतल्या सगळ्या फॅमिलीक अरेस्ट करचो अशी मागणी करतना आमी ना जाल्यार आमी वगैरे रावचे ना. हिंगा कितें राजकीय आसता स्टेप जाता अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Rasika is native of Kaure in Kepe. Rasika's mother, brother and villagers from Kaure on Wednesday took a morcha on Akshi police station demanding arrest of Guru Prasad. They also want gold jewellery that they had gifted to Rasika. However, police later arrested Guru Prasad for dowry harassment causing Rasika's death.
आमी आनी कशें एविडन्स येता तशें पळयतले आनी तशें अरेस्ट करतले आमी फॅमिली मेंबर्सांक. मोर्चा घेवन येयले म्हणून अरेस्ट करूं ना हांवें एविडन्स पयलीं कलेक्ट केला आनी मागीर अरेस्ट केला.
A senior reporter from Akshi, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Onkar Farari. It's time for yet another short break. Stay tuned.